Hi, this is Mom, and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade, the channel where I share my DIYs, decor, home recipes, so everything within budget. And if you love the content of my channel and are new here, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my spring kitchen vignette for the challenge called Spring Kitchen Vignette 2020, being hosted by Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. I'll put the link to her channel and the playlist she has created in the description box below. For everyday life, I like to keep my kitchen very clean and simple. I don't like to keep anything extra because I have a very small kitchen and I want to use every inch of it. Therefore, I don't do much decor. Only pieces that are useful, functional are here. And if I can keep things tidy, that's the best decor for me. So here I have this clipboard I had painted. I had did this DIY quite some time back. It's in my DIY and decor playlist, and it contains this bunch of paper which can be taken off, and it says things to do, or I can list down things to buy, bring, or the menu. I can just jot it down here. And the message it says is live your life. Live your life, live every moment of it, just don't survive, live your life. This is just a little bit of hand lettering here. Eggs in their egg carton, just as it comes from the market. Here on the back side, I have my lovely bamboo cutting board. I like this natural color. Not every part of my kitchen is very well lit up, so I apologize for the lighting today. On the daily basis, I use a lot of stainless steel items. They're easy to maintain, they last really long, and they can be cleaned and reused very well. So I have almost a lot of stainless steel utensils in my kitchen. Here is a utensil holder, again in stainless steel, and it has some of the daily use knives, tongs, spoons. And this is the wooden rolling pin that I use every day. This is a regular sized rolling pin that I use every day, and here in just a clear mason jar I have added the everyday use spoons and forks. And let's add some more items on this Lazy Susan. Here are pumpkin seeds that I use for sprinkling over porridge. I'll place it here. Some activated sunflower seeds. I'm keeping it here. I want to keep the labels away because they're too bright and distracting. This is a salad dressing, Italian salad dressing. It's a nice taste. So another addition, and I just repurposed this little glass bottle and added a twine to it, jute string to it, and it acts like a vase now. And here are some freshly cut wild rose from my garden, and the fragrance is intoxicating. It's so strong yet so beautiful. So let's add the flowers. Why I showed you this real life rolling pin today is because of this DIY. This is a small rolling pin, play rolling pin that I decorated, and this is the only decorative or decor piece today for this kitchen. And I think this looks just cute, beautiful, functional and simple. Do let me know, how did you like this simple decor? This is very simple but very functional, has got items that I'm using all the time in my kitchen, and I like it. It is giving a slight decorative touch, but is very functional and is not eating up much of the space. I like it, and I thank you, each one of you, for coming to this video, and thank you for your time. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care, stay healthy.